Every minute, hundreds of Yorkshire pigs enter this factory garden, and none leave the same way.
This building processes more meat in one day than some countries do in a year.
Modern housing controls temperature, airflow, and hygiene around the clock.
Feed delivery is automated, precise, and monitored digitally.
Each animal's growth and health are tracked daily. Only healthy animals are cleared for transport.
Loading is slow, controlled, and designed to minimize stress.
Transport systems maintain airflow and space throughout the journey.
This is where farming ends and processing begins.
Animals rest briefly in holding areas before processing.
Final inspection confirms suitability for processing.
Stunning is fast, controlled, and regulated. Bleeding is essential for meat quality. Hot water loosens hair for removal. Mechanical dehairing cleans the carcass surface. Singing removes remaining hair. Final washing prepares for internal processing. Organs are removed under strict hygiene.
Carcasses are split evenly down the spine.
Each half is checked before chilling.
Rapid chilling stabilizes meat temperature.
Carcasses rest until deboning. Weight and grade determine processing time. The line moves into deboning.
This hall separates every major pork cut.
Each half becomes standardized primals.
Hams are separated first.
Loins are removed with minimal trimming.
Bellies and ribs follow separate paths.
Shoulders are trimmed to specification.
Final trimming prepares cuts for packaging.
Only minor adjustments are done here.
Automated portioning brings every cut to exact weight.
Color and texture must meet standards. Each piece is weighed and logged.
Every cut receives a unique tracking code.
Packaging begins with sterile trays.
Robots handle placement to avoid damage.
Seals must be airtight.
Branding and dates are applied. Dates are printed in real time.
Packaging must be perfect.
Metal detection ensures safety.
Final weight is confirmed.
Packages are grouped for boxing. Boxes are formed automatically. Robots load boxes consistently. Boxes are sealed for cold storage. Logistics labels link boxes to batches. Palletizing prepares product for storage. Wrap secures boxes during movement. Pallets move into cold storage. Temperature stays tightly controlled.
Every pallet is digitally tracked.
Orders determine outbound flow.
Cold chain continues at loading.
Loads are locked before transit.
Product leaves the facility. From here, pork moves worldwide.
This is the final destination.
Behind the line, every shift starts with data.
Sanitation runs continuously during production.
Vans are washed between stations.
Controlled entry protects the line. Vision systems guide precision trimming. Trimmings are diverted for byproducts. Nothing is wasted.
Waste streams are tightly controlled.
Facilities operate under strict regulation.
Energy systems run the entire plant. Cold chain is monitored centrally.
Maintenance prevents downtime. Measurement accuracy is verified daily.
Training keeps the line safe.
Shifts overlap to keep flow continuous. Production resumes without interruption.
Consistency is checked every hour.
At full speed, timing is everything.
Output is measured minute by minute.
This is industrial scale.
First in, first out keeps freshness.
Exports require exact documentation.
Container sealed.
Product moves to ports and borders.
Cold chain continues overseas.
Pork travels thousands of miles.
Global hubs receive shipments. From hubs to stores.
Stores restock daily.
Great freshness and fair purchase. Every package comes from the same system.
Facilities like this require massive investment. To meet global demand, scale is unavoidable.
This is how modern meat is made.
Tomorrow, it begins again. The system doesn't sleep. The system doesn't sleep. From farms to factories to tables around the world.